Hello, my name is Lena. My teacher's name is Miss Leach. I'm 5 years old. I'm in kindergarten. And this video is for the Reflection project. This video is about math, art, and nature. See you when we get to the park. Together we can play and learn about math and art and nature. I'm at the park. The most fun thing is enjoying nature and playing. I like to jump, swing, and slide at the park. Playing is so much fun. Water is everywhere in our lakes, rivers, and streams. We use it every day, so we must keep it clean. Let's do some math and count some more ducks. I'm throwing popcorn at 2 ducks. How many ducks do you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ducks swimming happily. How many flags do you see? Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 flags. Happy Veterans Day. Let's go on to the next level. What do you see? There are 2 grasshoppers. One half away. Now how many do you see? Now you see 1. How many trees do you see? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 trees. 1, 2, 3. How many leaves do you see? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If we add 1 more, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have 9 leaves with 1 more. What will happen if I take away 4? 8 minus 4 equals 4. Art is everywhere. Let's go home and paint some of the things that we see. Bye-bye. My favorite book is We Can Go. I'll read it to you. Let's go. We can go. A car can go. A truck can go. A bike can go. We can go. Now we're home. I need to change. And now it's time to paint. Together we can learn a lot about nature and color. These are some of the things that we found in nature, and now we can use them in art. You can mix colors and paint with them. It can be very, very pretty because it can make new pretty colors. Red and yellow mix orange. Yellow and blue mix green. Painting makes me happy at home and at school. What makes your picture that's so dark much lighter? Here is a pumpkin. And here is a leaf. Here is a pine cone. Here are berries. And here is a rock, and here's another rock. And then here's a flower. And then right here is a nut. Thank you for watching my video about math, art, and nature. Together we can do anything. Bye-bye.